In this video, we are going to talk about BitQuery's migration API, which can help you track pump fund token migrations to PumpSwap. I will add the API link in the description. You can test it out on id.bitquery.io and you will get free 10,000 points for the first month of signing up. So let's get started. Firstly, we will check what instructions do PumpSwap program have. We will check this using instructions API, and then when we are able to pinpoint which instruction is used for creating a pool on PumpSwap, then we will write a query to track this particular instruction call by a program PumpFun by setting depth, caller index and call path. Let's write the first API to get the instruction name. Select TAP here in the endpoint, then select Solana, then select instructions. Under instructions, we will put our filter in where. In where, select instruction, program, address is, put here pump swap address. Now select the fields you need. We will select instruction, program, method, and then we'll just put here count to just aggregate all of the calls for a particular method. Now we are seeing all the methods which are available in the pump swap program. So there's this create pool method, right? Now we'll write a query with this create pool method and track this particular instruction call. Select Solana, then instructions. Again in where we will put our filters. Select instruction. Here program. Method is create pool. Program address is pump swap address. Put here pump swap address. So we basically want to track the create pool instruction call by pump fun address, right? That will make the pump fun token migrate to pump swap. Now set another filters. Call path includes equal to 2, depth equal to 1, and caller index equal to 2. Select one more filter, transaction, result, success, true. We only want to track the successful migrations. Now select the fields we need. Select block time, maybe block height also. Now select instruction details, accounts involved. Select all the fields, mint, owner, program ID, ancestor indexes, balance updates count, call path, caller index, data, depth, index, logs. Under program, select account names. Account names is going to be an array which will correspond to the accounts which we selected earlier in here. So this is also going to be an array but of addresses, and this is going to be an array of account names. And then select address, arguments. Under argument, select name, type, value. This will give us the argument values with which the instruction call has been made. And let's select name and method also. Then select transaction details, fee paid, fee payer, transaction index, signature, and let's say signer also. Now just change this query keyword to subscription and you will be able to track the real-time migrations of pump fund token to pump swap. Just run this query, and if any migrations happen in real time, you will see it in the console. You can easily integrate this in your application. Just go to our docs and you will find in here streaming, streaming via subscriptions, and here is the examples in Rust and JavaScript and Python. So this was the query for tracking the migrations of pump fund token to pump swap. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.